Don't mind my car. I know it's dirty and dusty. I was cutting some wood, but anyways, I removed most of it, as you can see from here. I left a little bit right here just to show you how I did it. I pretty much used a screwdriver, and see, it just comes off really easy, as you can see, right? Of course, open the door, but see, it just comes off really easy. It's wrapped all around it, so you're gonna have to take this off. And since this thing is wrapped in both sides, I couldn't really get the one from the bottom too well. So what you have to do is take this I guess gasket off. You can just pull it with your hands. Don't mind my dirty inside. I'm still working on this car, so it's just dirty. So you're just not sure if it's too visible. Man, probably not, but you can see it still has some inside. So just get your screwdriver and it'll come off. It's very easy. See? So definitely take this off or pull it down and then do the other side. And then after this, I'm gonna install the trim that I bought. So now that you got it all cleaned, now you can install this, and it's very simple. You just slide it in, right, and just do the whole edge of it. Now right here at the edge, you're just gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it just a little bit more. Just make sure you press it all the way in, and as you can see, this thing looks just like new. Then you're gonna put this back on. How it looks without it, video will show you how it looks without the little trim on it. The end result, as you can see, it looks brand new. Close the door and it's perfect. It's perfect. If you wanted to, I guess I could left a little bit more right there, but other than that, it's perfect. So it's definitely worth it if you want to do it. It took me like 20 minutes really, taking it off and putting this thing on. And yes, you're gonna have enough to do the other side on a S13 coupe.